Welcome to Propel. This is Martin, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the PR Business Outcomes dashboard. This dashboard uses Google Analytics to track the direct business outcomes of your agency's PR efforts. Before we get started, there are two things to make sure of. First, you'll need access to your company's Google Analytics account. Second, ensure you have the special link sent by your PR agency or department to enable business outcomes. Got everything? Let's begin. Go ahead and open your browser. Paste the link you received into the URL bar. This will take you directly to the Google sign-in page. Now, sign in using the Gmail account that has access to your company's Google Analytics. If you're already signed in, you'll be asked to select your account. Next, you'll see a screen asking for permission to allow Propel read-only access to your Google Analytics data. Simply click Allow to grant permission. Now, it's time to select the Google Analytics account and the relevant Google Analytics 4 property that you'd like to use for business outcomes. Once you've made your selection, click Save. You'll receive a confirmation message once everything has been set up correctly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Propel Business Outcomes dashboard. Your PR agency or department can now provide you with detailed insights on the direct business outcomes of your PR campaigns. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tracking your PR success.